What's up, guys? Welcome again to Orkiza Garage, and what's up to my fellow DIYers and to a technician out there. If you don't subscribe to my channel yet, so don't forget to smash the subscribe button today. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna change the O2 sensor on the downstream, both sides. 2002 Toyota Sienna. This is two-way catalyst, so I'm changing the front side catalyst downstream O2 sensor, and then the rear one catalytic converter downstream for the O2 sensor, because I had the 420 and 430. So I checked the all data, I checked the waveform, so the air and fuel mixture are wavy, a little bit wavy, and then the normal one before the catalytic is also wavy. After the catalytic, the waveform it should be like straight line. But I check on the scanner, I check the waveform. The abnormal one is like fluctuating so high. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this one, the cheaper solution first, because I know if the check engine come up again, I have to change the both catalytic converter. Those are really expensive, so I'm gonna try the cheaper one first. And I'm gonna put all the description for this one. All right, guys, so let's go. It's right here, this one right here. I just have to disconnect that, and then here's the O2 sensor. That's for the downstream on the bank one. Alright, guys, trying to okay, I got this one. I think there's a clip down here. Yeah, there's a right here. I have to take it off. Okay, so this is the first one. Oh yeah, it's all burned out. See that? And I'm gonna show you what the new one looks like. So the first one is right here. These are the bank. These are the bank 2 sensor 2 or downstream. You guys can see the difference. This is the new one, and this is the old one. See how they're burned? And then the waveform are really like, it's like this. You have to be like straight line. Okay, so I'm just gonna install the new one and then put the anti-seize. I think they came out with the anti-seize. If not, I'm just gonna put a little bit. That is for the second one. I'm gonna show you how to get to the inside where the connector is. First, I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna put the description, but here's the part number. I hope you guys can see it right here. Okay, let's go. This first one, I did not connect it yet, because I don't want that wire to get pinched. That should be good. A little bit more. Just one more. and then I'm gonna connect everything. Okay, that's good. Connect this one. So the aftermarket doesn't come to the connector down here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my zip tie, and then here's the connectors. You should hear the clicks. Once you hear the clicks, it's good. All right, so these are the first one, guys. I'm gonna move up to the second one. It's all the way down there. It's all the way down there. The bank 1 sensor 2, and then delete the codes. Guys, we are on the bank 1 sensor 2 downstream. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to break that O2 sensor first. There you go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There you go. Let's break it in. So the connector is upstairs. It's right here. So it's upstairs. So I'm gonna show you where to look for. Okay, let's go upstairs. Alright guys, on the driver's side, there's the panel right here. This one, take it off, and then it's right here. Basically it's right here. It's right here. That's the cover. And then I'm gonna do just disconnect first, so I don't have to worry about it later. Okay, it's right here. Then take it off. There you go. So you guys can see it's right here. I'm gonna take it off the wire, and then snake through later. Okay, so here, just basically it's easy. You just have to know where they're at. Sometimes they're hidden. Okay, let's go down up underneath and then take it off the O2 sensor downstream. Side by side again. Here's the second one, bank 1 sensor 1. So the bank 1 is by the firewall. The bank 2 is in front by the radiator. Okay guys, so don't get confused. So if you guys buying the sensor, there's difference. See the connectors? If you see this square connectors, these are the on the rear wall or the back by the firewall. If you see like regular connectors on the front. Alright, side by side with the new one. So here's the part number, by the way, but I'm gonna put this one in the link on the description. The new one. Maybe there's difference on the length because this aftermarket Denso, but should be. Let's see. Meron na kaya? Alright, so here's the brand new one, and then you usually see how they burned. It's the new one, and then this one right here. Okay, here. Well, they basically is free lube already, anti-seize. Alright, so ready to go. The new one. Left the loosey, righty tighty. Okay, gonna put the connector upstairs, snake through them, and then we'll see. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go upstairs and then put it in so you sit flush the rubber boot. I have to oh, okay, so basically just sit in right here. It's right here. Want to make sure. I think it's it in connectors. Okay, there you go. I like that sound. Once it click, and then put the oops, sorry guys, it's really tight over here. Then put that in. There you go. And then put the 2 clips. There's 2 clips down here. Okay. After that, delete the codes and test drive. Make sure everything is good. Alright guys, that's basically it's easy. You just have to be patient with this downstream auto sensor. Okay. Alright guys, so that's how to do. It's easy. Alright, so if you don't subscribe yet, if you did not subscribe yet, so please subscribe for more content in the future, and I really appreciate your support. Smash or click the subscribe button. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon.